Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Louis. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to do this beautiful fish braids updo. So if this is what you're interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. So we're going to start off by sectioning the hair. So I'm going to take out a little from the one in front because we're going to do double braids in front. So the one behind, I'm going to make a sleek back combing and then get my rubber band and hold it together. Up next, I'm going to get my hair padding. So I'll be using the round padding. I have a couple of videos where I showed how to do hair patterns, but I'll be leaving it up there so you can go learn how to make your patterns. So I'm going to take the hair upwards and get my control pins and hold it down. Then I'm going to get my bobby pins and then secure my patterns to the hair. So then after that, I'm going to flip that one back and then section it into bits and then do my fish braids. So I really don't want to get anyone confused. If you've never done the fish braids before, it's as easy as, I don't know how to describe it, but trust me guys, it's really easy. So what I normally do when I'm making a fish braids is I comb the hair out and then section it into two. So I'll be taking beads from each side and crossing it over to the other side. So I'll repeat the same step until I get to the tips. So then after that, I'm going to pull the hairs on both sides so it can give me this fluffy look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. We're done with the fish braids, so I'm going to carefully place them on my hair patterns with my bobby pins. Moving on to the front, so I'm going to do like regular cornrows, but when I get to the part where I'm done picking the hair, I'm going to start with the fish braids, like the one I showed you guys earlier. So then after that, I'm going to like pull from the beginning to the roots. So once I'm done pulling both of them, I'm going to place the first one on the previous placement I did earlier behind. Then I'm going to follow it up with the next one, and voila, we're done. I hope this video was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them. Share them with your friends because you know sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So is there any hairstyle you'd want to see here on my channel? Please leave it in the comments below, and I promise guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.